Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is our Ashford Kitchen. So our kitchen, before we updated it, was a very small, old-fashioned space that had served the previous occupant of the house, who was a single elderly lady. We knew instantly that that wasn't going to meet our needs. The relationship that we established with the designer at Ashford Kitchens was, we came with lots of ideas, but he was willing to challenge us and put in fresh ideas. So there were some changes we made.
We walked in through the door, we were immediately made to feel welcome. Every time we turned up, we were offered coffee as soon as we stepped through the door. So it was a very warm, comforting and welcoming experience.
Our kitchen now, complete, is a pleasure to be in. So it's a space we love to spend time in. It's a space we're proud to bring our friends and neighbours and family into. Our friends would describe this as a wow kitchen.
I think that you couldn't have got a quicker or more hassle-free kitchen install than we had through Ashford Kitchens. I really genuinely do not.
It's very flexible, so it gets a lot of use. I think it's one of the best things that we did in the house.
So my favourite bit of the kitchen, without a shadow of doubt, is the wine fridge. I love my wine fridge, it's absolutely fantastic. The wine cooler, which is in the central aisle, that always makes me smile as well whenever I go past it.
If you want a good quality product that's going to be installed well, but with a designer who actually listens and is prepared to challenge and really understands how to design space, then Ashford Kitchens can certainly deliver that.